Actually, no, that's the cerebrum aqueduct. I lied. Cerebrum aqueduct. This is the third ventricle. The fourth ventricle is here. Lateral ventricle is right in there. Corpus callosum is right in here. Arbor vitae is right here. This white part of the cerebellum. Vermes, we went over that already. Where is this? Like this.
On top.
It's this part right here, right? That separates the two hemisphere of the cerebellum. So if I ask for this, would be the cerebellum. If I have something pointing at that, would be the vermes. What else? Hemispheres, right? The right and the left hemisphere. So if I ask particular area, right, would be cerebrum. So if I, let's say, if I see bit specific, right, so it would be something like bit specific would be the right or the left hemisphere. Frontal, right, so if I'm specific part of that area. What else do you need to know? Corpus callosum, we went over it right here. Frontal lobe, occipital lobe. Which one has the letters better for you guys to see? F. So frontal lobe, right? The F. This would be the frontal lobe. The H would be temporal lobe, right? Right here. So if I'm pointing, they would never put the ones with the letters, right?
Oh, yeah.
Of course. Because you should not ever learn letters. So when you look at this, you look at the letters, right, to know, and then compare it to the side that does not have letters, right? Pituitary infundibulum, right? Optic chiasma, optic nerve, olfactory nerve. We're not gonna know the tonsil. What else do you guys want to know?
What else on that side? The pyramids?
Yeah, I told you you don't have to know the pyramids.
Oh.
That omitted that.
The mammillary one.
Okay.
The what?
The mammillary gland.
Will be here somewhere. I believe it's here. Yeah, we'll be in this area. 45. What am I calling 45? Oh, the thalamus. This is the choroid plexus. I know that much. 48 mammillary body. So the
The choroid plexus is the purple one?
yes, I believe that they make it there, so you can see like the capillaries where the cerebrum.
And over here it will be.
For what?
Choroid plexus.
That whole area would be the choroid plexus. I mean, no, it will be in here. You don't see it. This is the corpus callosum.
Oh, okay.
You don't see it because it's actual. You have to actually see that. You know, it's just too dry and dehydrated.
Okay.
Maybe if it was clean, if it was fresh, you'd be able to see it. Yeah. What else you guys need to know? 49 will be the external gym, which I didn't ask you for it, so you gotta omit 49. Where is 48? Right here, you see the choroidal plexus. Oh, this. They make it really nice there, and it goes all the way to the lateral ventricle, and this is where in the third ventricle, right? And then you have it in the fourth ventricle as well, which they don't have it. They didn't put it in the fourth ventricle. All right, this is what? And remember it? Infundibulum. Right, so it's the stalk that communicated to it. What other thing I would ask for this? From this, trying to think. 48 right here. I would ask the 48. Do I have a pointer? 48 right here. Mammillary body, so it would be right here. So I would ask for that. 45, the thalamus, which will be here. So if it's in this area, will be the thalamus, all right? If it's in that area. This is the third ventricle area right here, right? And then what else would I ask? That is very invisible. Arbor vitae, we went over that. Central canal. I'm not gonna ask for that. I committed that. We have to know the nerves.
We should become cameramen.
The fornix. Mammillary bodies. Right here. Interventricular foramen, I would ask that right here, right, which communicates the lateral and the third ventricle. Corpus callosum, which is over here. I'm not gonna ask parts, just identified area. I'm not gonna ask that. Sector lucidum, right here. That's it. Sector lucidum. That would be a question. That one I ask. And then all the nerves, pretty much. And I'm gonna ask this, and I'm gonna ask that. Arbor vitae, fourth ventricle, right here, which I would ask. Aqueduct, right, which is what communicates right here. The aqueduct, the fourth ventricle with the third ventricle. Did I omit tectum? Embryonic brain, I think I omitted that one. And that one as well. All right. So that's pretty much what I would ask. So I would guide you to that area.